Hi, my name is Lauren Pipes. I am the judge for this year competition. And here is Autumn.
Hi, my name is Autumn Pipes, and I'm so excited to be entering this big competition. Sorry. Am I nervous? Yes. Is my sister gonna lose? Yes. Two question answers. Boom.
This is Ashley Pipes.
Hi, I'm Ashley. I love baking. That's why I entered this competition. Me and my sister are gonna face off in this competition. Am I gonna beat her? Yes. Am I gonna brag? No, unlike some people, including my sister Autumn.
Okay. There's another dog named Lily. Oh, my name is Lily Pipes, and the reason I want to be a judge is because I wanted to know a lot of other people's perspectives on baking. Okay, we have a 30-minute time, so we're gonna do. And we start it now. And your key ingredients you have to use is 20 chocolate chips and Rice Krispies. Let's see how Ashley's doing.
Hey, John. Okay, today I'm gonna be making one of my favorite Rice Krispies, but in a different way you would rather make them. I'm gonna be improvising and not using marshmallows.
They're sticking to the spoon. Oh no. One, go. Okay. My melted chocolate chips are sticking to my Rice Krispie. This is not how I planned for it to go. I'm just gonna have to work through the problem.
Yeah, Autumn, we're just gonna have to work through the problems.
What she said.
Okay, bakers. 31 minutes on the clock. 31 minutes, everybody. 31 minutes.
Are you doing it with the microwave?
This is how Autumn's doing, and this is how Ashley does. I know what Ashley, she trying to speed up to be the best. Well, Autumn just trying to use her time.
No, I need to hurry because I don't know if improvising. And this butter was cold.
Everything gets all good.
Peanut butter. Oh, thank goodness. This one will work.
Okay, Ashley don't know if her design is going well, so and she put her butter back in the microwave because that's too hot, too cold. And then Autumn's singing and putting peanut butter and jelly, my favorite, on bread. So
Copycat.
and she finally got her chocolate out. Wow, that's yeah. I'll think of that. Like she put the chocolate in the cake board. Like start it in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh no, this is not.
Hello. This is a fierce competition. Autumn, she's feeling stressed. And Ashley, she just needs some more time. Oh, and bakers, 27 minutes on the clock. Time, guys. Time flies by fast, people, in the baking world.
I need more time.
Well, Ashley, not all bakers get more time.
Don't record.
Oh.
Some bakers don't finish.
No bakers don't finish.
Ooh. Autumn, tell tell me how you get to made these heart shaped with a little arrow inside of them.
My inspiration is love. I'm obsessed with love. So mine is kind of like a cute critique, kind of like date.
Cool. So now let's move on to Ashley.
You need to give us 10-minute like warning stuff.
We've got 7 more minutes.
Wait, what?
Yep. Okay, Ashley, what are you kind of doing your baking test on? What
Right
is
now,
it
I'm
like?
trying to make a kind of like a Rice Krispie roll that you make at home, but improvising a lot. I'm trying to make it chocolate.
So
And,
where did you get your inspiration to make this?
well, the minute I heard Rice Krispies, I heard Rice Krispie rolls. So, and when I think of Rice Krispie rolls, my family love chocolate, so I thought chocolate Rice Krispie rolls, it would be perfect for us.
Cool. Let's go on to the timer, baby. Ashley, why did you do that?
Don't comment.
What you got?
Alexa. Oh, I did it?
Okay. Okay, it's kind of hard to see which one is going to win. Which one? We're going to see when the timer stops. Oh, 1 minute in the cut papers, 1 minute.
Oh, I can't go back. Time to go faster. I know I won't be saying that another. Okay, I'm ready for interview.
3.
I'm really worried about Ashley. Ashley is not done. My dish is done, so do you think I should go over there and help her? She is the competition, and my job here is to beat the competition.
Time's up. Hands up.
Step away from your desserts.
This is Ashley's Sprinkle Bunny. Autumn made Chrissy Crystal sandwiches. I don't know what. I am
Oh, you're going down.
Really going to
You
win.
really think
Don't
you're
sexually
gonna win.
harass me.
Against me. You're going down.
Okay, so I went to take a little shower after Ashley's dish. She made me puke almost. Well, it's gonna be very weird with what the winner will be after I said that. So, and the winner is Ashley.
Thank you.
Boo!
A darling compliment. Thank you. Thank you. Running through the-
What? I came into this competition thinking I'm just here for my sisters, and then when the competition started, I actually really did want to win, and I worked extremely hard on my dish thinking Ashley's just would be horrible. They did puke it out. Believe me, they did. They did. And I don't know how she won, but I am really disappointed she won. So I'm just gonna go home, which I am in my home right now, but I'm trying to make it dramatic, so.
Start it!